Is artificial intelligence a threat to our jobs? This is a question that's been echoing through the halls of businesses and academia alike. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been on a swift rise, steadily weaving itself into the fabric of our everyday lives. From the voice assistant that wakes us up in the morning to the self-driving cars that are poised to become the norm, AI is no longer a concept relegated to the realm of science fiction. But what does this mean for our jobs? There's a growing concern that as AI continues to evolve and improve, it could potentially displace human workers. In fact, some projections suggest that in the not-so-distant future, a significant percentage of jobs could be automated. We're not just talking about factory jobs here, but roles in sectors as diverse as healthcare, finance, and even creative industries. Even though AI is a technological marvel, it could be a potential job thief. The manufacturing industry provides a clear illustration of AI's impact. This sector has been a trailblazer in embracing the potential of artificial intelligence. The assembly lines, once dominated by human labor, have gradually given way to automated systems. This shift has not been without its hiccups, but the efficiency gains are undeniable. Take the car manufacturing industry, for example. Robots have taken over tasks that were once performed by humans. They can weld car parts together, paint vehicles, and even conduct quality checks, all at a speed and precision that surpass human capabilities. The result? Faster production times, fewer errors, and ultimately cost savings. Yet while these machines excel at repetitive tasks, they're not so proficient when it comes to tasks requiring critical thinking or creativity. A robot may be able to assemble a car, but it can't design one. Not yet, at least. This is where humans still hold the upper hand. The shift towards AI in manufacturing has had a significant impact on employment. As machines take over the more mundane tasks, many traditional manufacturing roles have been displaced. However, this doesn't necessarily mean fewer jobs. Instead, the nature of the work has changed. More technical roles, such as programming and maintenance of these machines, have emerged. Consider the case of a major electronics company that replaced 60% of its workforce with robots. The remaining 40% were retrained to work in tandem with the machines, monitoring their performance and rectifying any issues that arose. This shift resulted in a threefold increase in productivity and a significant reduction in defects. But let's not sugarcoat it. The transition has been tough for many workers. Retraining for new roles is not always an option, and the fear of job loss is real and palpable. However, it's also worth noting that the rise of AI has created entirely new industries and job roles that didn't exist a few decades ago. The manufacturing industry stands as a testament to the transformative power of AI, for better or worse. It's a clear example of how the rise of artificial intelligence is reshaping the world of work, and it's a trend that's only set to continue. AI's impact on jobs is not entirely gloomy. Quite the contrary. As we delve deeper into the digital age, we're seeing an interesting twist in the tale of technology and employment. You see, while AI may be streamlining certain roles, it's also giving birth to an array of new, previously non-existent jobs. These range from data scientists to AI ethicists, roles that are key in the development and regulation of AI technology. In fact, consider this an evolution of jobs rather than an extinction. Just as the Industrial Revolution led to new roles like assembly line workers and quality inspectors, the AI revolution is ushering in its own breed of specialists. And these new roles? They're not just for tech whizzes. They require a blend of skills, including creativity, empathy, and problem solving. So the question isn't whether AI is eliminating jobs, but are we ready to adapt and fill these new roles? So AI might be taking away some jobs, but it is also creating new ones. What does the future hold for jobs in the AI era? In the not-so-distant future, job markets will transform in ways we can't fully predict. But here's a certainty. Adaptability will be key. As AI continues to evolve, so too must our skills. Lifelong learning isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a survival strategy. For individuals, this means continuously upskilling and reskilling. Embrace the opportunity to learn new technologies, understand AI, and even become creators in this digital world. For organizations, it's about fostering a culture of learning. Companies should invest in their employees, offering training and resources to help them navigate this AI-driven landscape. And it's not just about technical skills. We'll need a balance of human skills too. Creativity, empathy, critical thinking. Because while AI might automate tasks, it can't replicate human connection. The AI era demands a new mindset for jobs and careers, one that embraces change and values continuous learning.